So hello guys, this is Nikhil Patil and you are watching MP Mixup channel. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back with a new video, that is the full course of Python 3. So I will be teaching you from the scratch the complete Python 3 course. So bookmark the playlist and watch completely. Stay tuned. It's the introduction video. So next video will be uploading. So from that video everything will be related to Python. So for now video, just relax and into this course. What I will be teaching in this complete course, everything will be shared in this video. So just watch the video completely to understand everything and what are the contents and everything that is need to be known for this course. Please subscribe, get subscribed to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, subscribe. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. Like I will move into my laptop screen. Guys, let's start the presentation from the introduction. So this is the complete introduction. As I told in you can follow us on Instagram. We are also available on Instagram. The ID is given up above the presentation of the slide. What are the uses of Python? So this is the part of the introduction, that is uses of the Python. So as you can see here, so web development, it can be used in the web development, it also can be used in machine learning, and everyone knows the future of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python programming language can be used in artificial intelligence. So it will be playing a major role in the future. So and it is also used for the game development, like graphical building, graphical user interfaces, and also building desktop applications. It is like a multi-purpose programming languages. So these are the uses of the some of the uses of the Python. So next, these are the uses of the Python. So next, why Python 3? It is growing quickly, so it's heavily growing, and then it is the major thing, that is it is the syntax. The syntax is very cool. Like it is very easy to understand for the beginners, so beginners friendly, and syntax is also small, like when compared to other languages. So then comes the frameworks. Frameworks are available more on Python also, like example Django and Flask, and many others are there. So next point is the open source availability of libraries. So libraries are more inbuilt libraries are more in Python when compared to other languages. Then support, and the support that we have for Python is more when compared to other languages, because the programmers in Python are growing day by day. So next is scalability. So scalability is also a thing where Python plays an important role. Like it can be used to maintain heavy database, and also maintain heavy crowd on the website, or maybe in desktops. So it is like a multi-purpose. Like it plays an important role in every corner of the programming and developing. So next, it can be used for multi-purpose. As I said now, so it can be used for everything and every purpose. So next, so this was the about the Python. So now we will dive into our contents of this course. Like I am doing this course, so I will share the contents of this course, which will be teaching in next videos. So next, first comes the Python setup. So I will show you how to set up the Python, and how to install Python, and how to install the environment for the Python. Next, Python objects and data structure basics. So we will be learning here the objects and the data structure, like strings and all. The everything will be related to data structure will be taught here. And next, comparison operators in Python. Next, Python statements are there, though we will seeing about the statements. Then methods and functions. And then we have projects. So I will be building the projects and sharing with you. There are 3 projects I will be sharing with you. So first project will be shown after this topic, completion of these topics. So we will use just these topics to complete that project and do the project. So next comes the object oriented programming, which OOP. that means object oriented programming. We will be teaching that also. Then modules and packages. In modules we will see how to install modules and how to write modules, etc, etc. Everything will be teaching. Then next, errors and exception handling, we will also be having this in our course. Then so after completion of these lessons, we will build an project, another project, using all these lessons that we taught and you have learned. So we will start the second project. So after completion of the second project, then we go to the Python decorators and then Python generators. Everything will be taught, and after that, so we will combine all the learnings that we learned, and then we go to dive in our final project. That will be a big project in my view. So that is the final project, and then after that we have bonus lessons that will be taught. So it's a secret, as I marked the secret. So it's a secret. We will be you will be getting know as the course goes on, and if you follow all the lectures completely, then it will be a big achievement for you guys. So without wasting the time, we will also starting the course, and we will uploading the videos step by step. So just learn the videos one by one and try at home and code, practice. So everything depends on your practice, dedication and perseverance. So no boring lectures, no boring nothing, no boring things will be taught. And if some, yeah, in every lecture some boring parts will be there. So let's try to make them fun with learning also. So thank you for this video, and please subscribe, share and like. Okay, thank you all to subscribe, follow on Instagram. Thank you guys. So guys, now you have got to know how the things will work and how the contents will be shared to you through this course, and everything is shown in this video. So let's start the course from the next video onwards. So next video will be uploading within this week. I will try to upload the video. So follow that course completely, and thank you. Subscribe, like, share must. It's a must thing. You should do this. So it will be helpful to the other persons who are looking for the perfect course for the Python 3. So at my time, I was not having a perfect course for Python. So I referred some blogs and documentations and wrote my notes and etc, etc, did many things. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, and thank you. Stay safe, stay home.